This video, I'll be teaching you how to blend with the finger. Alright, but the tools you will need are the 4B, H2, HB, and 4H pencils, the Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and the Perfectionist 1056, and an eraser, and the kneaded eraser. Alright, the first step is to draw the ball and add a layer with the 4H pencil, blend it in with your finger. Make sure it's all even all over. Then after that, you will add another layer with the 2H pencil. Blend it in with your finger. Make sure there's no hard edges. Key to blending is have no hard edges. Then you just keep going in order until you get to the darkest spot of the ball, which will be at the bottom. Blend it in. Then you add the shadow. You do the same steps, same way as you did the ball. Make sure there's no hard edges. Blending with the finger, I like to call it the darkest method. One of the darkest methods next to the blending stone. Use the eraser to bring out the highlights. And at this point, you're done.